filmed this video yesterday and I did not film an intro. I started by taking some pictures for the thumbnail and then I just went straight into the video. So this is my little intro after the fact. This video, as you can see from the title, is what's in my baby bag. And yeah, let's go watch the video now. Okay guys, so whenever I'm packing anything, I like to lay everything out like this, and then I only put out what I know I need for the days that I need them, and then I start packing. So I laid these out on the bed and then I ironed the clothes, only the clothes that baby's gonna wear before they leave the hospital. I didn't iron all of their clothes. It's common in Jamaica and I guess a number of other third world countries for us to iron our baby's clothes. So these that you're seeing that are folded now, this is after I ironed. That first shot that I gave you was prior to them being ironed, but I didn't do all of that while filming. So I folded up these items. They are going to go straight to the delivery room, so I just put them in a Ziploc bag by themselves. It has 2 receivers in there, 2 wipes, 2 diapers, a bottle of olive oil, and just a little outfit. The outfit is all white. It's mittens, one of those little button down shirts. I have a short sleeve one and a long sleeve one, and a pair of pants, footsie pants. Chances are I'm not gonna use the long sleeve shirt, but I brought it just in case. It's hurricane season here, anything can happen. Now on to what I think are the mommy things. Some of these items are not on my list, but I'm just bringing them for my peace of mind. So I have this Lysol to go disinfectant spray, and of course I have deodorant. The Lysol disinfectant spray is for my own peace of mind. I have my sanitizer. They did tell you to bring rubbing alcohol. This bag has all of my sanitary napkins. I think I have like 6 in there. So just 6 big old ugly maternity pads. And then over here in this plastic bag I have some underpads. This Ziploc bag is gonna go to delivery room with me. Then these, I bought these for my own peace of mind as well. They are toilet seat covers, and then I have some breast pads as well. These are my underwear. Then I also have 1 pair of socks, and then I have these nursing bras. I don't think I need so much, but I'm bringing them. This is a little outfit that I got from Shein. This is what it looks like. I'm probably gonna wear that into the delivery room, I think. So I'm just gonna be wearing the shirt. It has space at the side so I can breastfeed once baby comes out. This is a robe that I've had since forever from Victoria's Secret. This dress is what I'm gonna wear home. It's not maternity, but it will work and it will give me access if I need to breastfeed. And then this is just a maternity night dress from Shein as well. So those are the things that are gonna be in my bag, and I might bring this book depending on the circumstances leading up to me going to the hospital. So now I'm gonna pack all of these into the bag, and then you get to see what that looks like. So the only things that weren't in there from those videos was these 2 bottles. I'm hoping I don't have to bottle feed baby, but I carried those 2. So let me just show you how inside the bag is kind of organized. I'm not going to take anything else. As I said, up here I have this little wash sponge, thermometer, nail clippers, and here brush and comb, which I'm probably not going to use. And then here, these are the things that are going to go to the delivery room. This is olive oil. And over here, I have all my documents, my antenatal record. So I have my masks. I have enough to change them every 4 hours and to double mask as well. I don't know if I have anything in here now. I do not. And then just down there is just baby clothes and stuff. And more diapers. Then to the front here, I have diapers, wipes, lotion, and some baby wash and shampoo. Again, I don't think I'm going to be using any of these. I also bought a couple of sample packs of Diaperish cream and nipple cream for myself. And for my bag, I have sanitizer tucked right here, so it's easy to access. And I have my lip balm right here as well, so it's easy to access. And then inside on top, I have my roll of tissue. I have my little cosmetics case. This is the only cosmetics I need to have on it. I have some mouthwash, I have some cotton pads, toothpaste, and then I have like some little sample things, face wash and that sort of thing. And I have some cleansing wipes. They're makeup remover wipes, but I'm not planning on staying in the hospital, so hopefully I don't have to be in there for too long. So I have my tissue, and then this bag is the bag that would go to delivery room with me. It has underpads in there, the alcohol, Dettol, some maternity pads, and this is a garbage bag. They did tell us to bring a bag to dispose of stuff, so that's what's going into the delivery room for me. And then the rest of what's in there is just basically what you saw before. I put these on top, so they're easy to access, easy to find. So that's it, guys, for my bags. They're here hanging out, ready to go. The only thing missing from this setup is I have this towel and this underpad, which are for the car. So I'm gonna leave them right here. So in the event that my water doesn't break at home, but the contractions or whatever is happening that prompts me that it's time to leave for the hospital, we're gonna take these things, and then I have my 2 masks here because I said I'm gonna double mask, and my purse stays here for now because I may need to grab it before actually I have to go to the hospital. So that stays here for now. Can you see that? And then I'm iffy about bringing this. It's the Bump Life changing pad thing, the Ubi changing pad thing. I might bring it, I might not. I'm just gonna stick it here. I'm still iffy about whether I'm gonna bring it or not. Another item that I'm iffy about is a blanket. I don't want to carry too many things, but I have it just in case I might want it. This is my youngest son's blanket, Aiden. Aiden is 10. This is his blanket. and I wanted to have it with me. I had a VBAC with him and it was a good experience, and I want to bring good vibes with me. So that is my little setup. And thank you so much for spending this time with me, and I'll see you over in my next video. Bye.